Yeah, so thank you very much. Thank you very much for those of you that have tuned in this morning. Those of you that are sharing the platform this morning. I want to communicate with everyone that is here. I want to thank all the alliance leaders that listened when we requested that Zambia, Tiani Twikatane, when we said let every Zambian get together, put Zambia first, let's forget about our indifferences and let's get Zambia to work. Now, I will be talking quickly on what exactly has happened in the last 48 or so hours, in the last 3-4 days. Specifically, I want us to talk about what has happened over the weekend. I want us to talk about what has happened over the weekend. Zambia, Zambia, this is your friend and brother, Dr. EJ, and we are focused for nothing else, but we are focused to discuss Zambia decides. Zambia decides. On the 13th of August, you and I have got a part to play. We have got a role to play in shaping the destiny and the future of this country. Zambia decides on the exactly the 13th of August as a country. Kukabo kubuka kachelo. Bambi bakalatila no nshkwete okwakuya. Bambi bakalatila okwebati no tetinjime just to go and cast my vote. Why will the Zambians want to do that? Remember, not too long ago, Zambians were calling upon the opposition to unite. Zambians were saying, unite, unite, unite. I went live on this very platform. I went live on this very page, calling all the leaders. And what I would do in those days was, when I said we needed the Grand Alliance, we said we needed the Grand Alliance. I went round having meetings, step by step, individuals by individuals. We were being insulted. We were being provoked. But remember, last year, I released a statement and I said, the arrogance of power, which we saw or which we have seen in the UPND, where they said there is no opposition, where they said there will be no opposition, these people cannot unite. They scattered almost every opposition. Then to Alanda, we had to say, I said in that video, you go back and check, I said the greatest opposition of any country, it's its people. The greatest opposition of any country is its own people. In Zambia, when you want to know how politics change, remember 1991. On my videos, I have shared all these thoughts. In my meetings, I've shared all these thoughts. Remember 1991. Sorry, it's a bit cold. I've got like a sore throat. So I'm taking a bit of hot water. In 1991, Kenneth Kaunda, used to say, Panshi nilesa, Panshi ni Kaunda, kumulu nilesa, Panshi ni Kaunda. They said, on earth it is KK, in heaven, it's God. When Kaunda was passing, people would parade, Icho, with his white hank, if you remember, President KK shouting, Chisoko Nebane, Chisoko Nebane, Chisoko Nebane. But hunger, inflation, those things became the greatest enemy of the people. Now, with the UPND, they went out and they said they have created the jobs. That's fine. They said they have recruited the teachers. They have recruited the nurses. We even saw nurses carrying a banner. Recently, it was yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? We saw nurses carrying the banner. For a first time, the public servants being seen at a welcoming of a political leader. Because this time, yes, President Hakainde Hichilema still exercises his executive powers as the president. But guys, the reality is this is campaign time. This is campaign time. We saw where nurses lifting up the banner. But I said, Njala ni kapondo. I said, Njala ni kapondo. As long as mumakomboni mulinjala, as long as mumanganda mulinjala, we will praise the president, we will praise them because of what they are saying, but on the day of ballot, because as the Zambian people, remember, because of cyber laws, because of fear, mwali umwenso mzambe, mtsalo mwali umwenso, ukutino kakwa, insala na ikatabata ulelanda. But the hour, the time has arrived where the Zambians are speaking. We said opposition unite, opposition bakasonde mwenda baisa, basakwiba skota baisa, bawoza baisa, bamuhabi lungu baisa, makebi zulu baisa, bamundubile baisa, tuwababika pamo, baikatana. Then we say, okay, then let's wait. Campaign start. The reality of the matter that we need to know is that the opposition does not have money. Opposition is not in power. The economy has been tough. But with the little that the opposition can gather, and with the little that people can contribute well wishers, tieni kukitwe. Tieni tumone what can happen. Since takuli opposition, tieni kukitwe. That was on Saturday. Tuaya kukitwe. You saw. Abantu when Makebi Zulu is driving, they're saying, it's a flop, it's a flop, it's a flop, it's a flop. When Zambia blaze kushana, few people are saying, it's a flop, it's a flop. When BM8, Brian Mundubile, came on the podium, before he even came on the podium, when Brian Mundubile came in, when pictures were being shown, they start saying, AI. Now, it is true it was AI. Let me tell you something. It is true it was AI. Video, Yaisa, yeah, it is true it was AI. Now, when they saw the floods of Kitwe residents, when they saw people flocking, Zambians coming, dancing, video came in, Mundubile aichefia. Mbuya wandi Mundubile aichefia. He calls on Makebi Zulu to say, Makebi Zulu, since niwe pastor, Makebi Zulu, since niwe shima pepo, mpepelako mohicha wandi, elo nshilaganda na abantu. Niko iseko mwamwenepo wana lumango, publicly, batila no lekeni mpepele wa president. Kutiba wasuminisha wana lumango, vaikata kofe Europachi pe, wapa wakateka. Afukama aichefya pabantu aimyanama woko Brian Mundubile. So when Brian Mundubile did that, Mwemena Zambians, I want you to listen to this. That was a serious gesture. And not just a serious gesture, but it was a spiritual. That was a spiritual time, a solemn moment, because that was the first rally. That was the first rally. No, Kutila, Let God, who has brought us together, atutungurule bonse, and the unity that has come in the opposition is something else. Now, I want you to know this. Remember, they have been saying, but PF. I want to address that matter. Imbarala shavora. Isha rimulia mumabumba ya ewareted by PF. Shonse tamuli. Those peanuts mwali umfwa. Eloba mobai minebaya join a UPND. Batilo kwebati. We are the original PF. So the PF of thugs is gone to UPND Alliance. The PF of criminals is gone to UPND Alliance. The PF of praise singers is gone to the corrupt PF. The Eastern Province, let me tell you, all the Eastern Province crooks and thugs, those who were the kingpins of causing confusion, benzonyata bantu, bala benzonyata mahetman bala. All those people, all sebalabantu, bazula bali mu UPND, bali fulu ndiye makandidate ba UPND. Mukayambire chapa nyimba, Petauke, Sinda, Lusangazi, Chipangali, Pagila kuchipata. Onse balama MP, bali kula. Enze ba PF, enzo leta msokonezo. Baona kuti, Lomba pata welamo, because some of us, we are just eminent persons. We are just eminent persons. And we said, no, Zambia is bigger. When we said Zambia is bigger, we also said, let the Zambian people listen to what we are saying. So as eminent persons, we go together, we make sure the politicians get together, we made sure that Bakasonde Mwenda Baisa, we made sure that all the leaders who love Zambia, who Abena Sebastian Kopulande, how can you tell me Sebastian Kopulande is a UPN, is a PF? How can you be condemning Sebastian Kopulande, saying Kopulande is a criminal? No! He was not there. How can you say Sakwiba Skota is a criminal? He was not there. How can you say EJ, as I'm speaking here, I'm a criminal? I was not there. So this is new. This is new. It's about Binwe Mpundu. Come together. This is new. Chaba Iche Namakalamba won't say Abena Zambia Tienpam. You saw what happened. Kukitwe. Share the broadcast. Riga Noble, share the broadcast. You saw what happened. We thought this is because what happened is that poverty, Njala and Kalombo, poverty speaks louder than anything you can do. So they said it was AI. They said it was AI. There it went, boom. You are saying it is AI. Floods of people. Videos are coming. You tried to do this and then you said AI. Wait. Even on the 13th of August, you will say it is AI that voted. Because Zambians are going to vote. Because all the criminals, people who were beating people in Intercity, the innocent Kalimanshi, they are in UPND. Crooks are in UPND. Those people who were busy parading themselves, fighting, they are the ones that are that side. When you see people like myself speaking today, you need to know that we need to rescue Zambia. We need to rescue Zambia. So, here it is. I want you to know. Here it is. I want you to know. This is not anything about politics. This is not Wikatana over a nation. This is a national rescue operation. This is a national rescue operation. So, all Zambians of goodwill, share the video, share the broadcast, tag them. This is a national rescue operation. We cannot afford to see our country being pushed in all corners right now. You know that Zambians now cannot even get Zambians now cannot even get visas to go to America. You know what is happening in Zambia right now. Things have been bad. Let's not lie to ourselves. Is it not under this regime that we have had medicines disappear, being found somewhere in unknown locations? What is abantu mufpatala balefwa? Abantu mufpatala balefwa. I told you, it is Mao Sampa, who said in parliament, Mr. President, this is a view once government. It is Mao Sampa. He has gone to them. He is with them. He is with them. Whilst he knows this is a view once. But therefore, Fokuriamo. Now, they show me the mouse that apata pari chesu na iterela. They know that na itena. That is why you see them going there. The day of the launch of the manifesto launch at Mulungushi. Don't you see? If you are telling me, let me tell you, if you are telling me this is PF, listen to what I'm saying. The people who are singing Dununa Reverse, are they singing in are they the ones singing at the rallies of Brian Mundubile and Makepi Zulu? No, they are singing where? At HH. By Shoku Fuen Kulaba JK. By Shana, President HH is just looking down. President HH is looking down. Why? He knows Nafi Pena. Things as they are right now are not okay. The political advisors and leaders can even tell him, no, we are going to win. But the president inside his heart, he knows things are not okay. Because you said there is no opposition. Bah! You saw what happened in Kitu. Yesterday, Kundola, Kuchechifie, you want to block us. You saw, bah! Just passing Mwachipurukusu. As we are passing in Chipurukusu, just chukulapita Mwachipurukusu, mwalimu na abantu efe wafumine. We are not giving money. We don't have even Ligaria. We don't have even a lot of things. But Zambians are coming out in number. Where I am seated right now, civil servants are phoning me every day. Civil servants telling us, Doc, we listened to you as Zambia, not to Ishwevo to register. Baka pokola vale tumama phone. Ama soja vale tumama phone. People who are saying we are ready to see Zambia change are serious. They're saying we can't continue Nensala. On the 13th of August, not to issue ever to register. They are saying just encourage these leaders, Brian Mundubile, Koseni, Makepi Zulu, Koseni, every one of you, we are. And I am calling on churches, the church leaders. If it is my church, the Roman Catholic Church, remember, it is under this regime that our Archbishop was called a Lucifer. It is under this regime that our Archbishop, now I want you to listen to this. It is under this regime, our Archbishop was called a Lucifer. No apology was given. It is under this regime that our bishop was taken to go and explain at Force Headquarters. It is under this regime. It is under this regime that Edgar Chagwa Lungu died. It is under this regime that up to today, Edgar Chagwa Lungu is still in the mortuary. It is under this day, under this regime, that the body of Edgar Chagwa Lungu was taken for mutilation, or cheka piece for what they called post-mortem, without the concern of the family or the concerns of legal, to follow the proper legal channels. It is under this regime that we have seen all that. And guess what? After all has been said and done, it is under this regime that we have seen many young people, many people who are trying to speak are in prison. It is under this regime that we have cyber laws. It is under this regime that we have now all these laws that makes you and I to fail to speak. So we only have got these 2 months to rescue this country or to fibe for fin. But le somo avera na tupera Brian Mundubire. Now if we won't say as prominent persons, we are working together. Le sana tupera Makepi Zulu as a running mate. Everybody has come together. Now, Lelo, today, I want to announce this to you today. These 12 hours, 12 koloko, Lelo, 12 koloko, 12 koloko, 12 koloko, 12 hours today, we are in Kabwe. We are all in Kabwe today. At 12 hours, iseni chitinta ngombe, abena Kabwe, abena Kapiri. Even if you are just ukokwaliteta, iseni chiwombo, can we gather today at 12 hours? Kabwe, 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 Kabwe. Today, tieni tumfwe. If you Brian Mundubire, Muntaelo ala tueva, lelo, let's meet. Nilelo, Kabwe, today, Zambia, every Zambian of goodwill. It is me shouting again early in the morning. I'm right here, in my offices. Share the broadcast. Now, today, exactly at 12 hours, Tampenu Kwima. Ngabala fokwe batukanye tete batukanye. The numbers. Ukwe bamone ngani AI. Let it be seen. Ukwe kanshi Zambia ni AI. Zambia ni AI. Now umfwen. We are in Kabwe today. At Makululu Township, background. Makululu Township, mu ground. Nilelo, intedwa mbuya, mwalimu mfwa, Firabrani mundubirandat, nakulu mutinta pamakasa. Mwalimu mfwa kasonde mwenda randat, fueba pamakasa. You have heard everyone calling. So, nakulu mutinta pamakasa, muimieni. Musendeni na kurumutinta pachibala. Mupushingeni, muleteni. Ukwa Brian Mundubire bamumone. Makepi Zulu bamumone. Make sure, lelo, let all the Zambians, not Chukutina. No. Not Chukutina. Lelo takuru kutina. Tieni, sendele nchani musende kahanki. Musende chali moka hanki mwitila kwa menshi. Omefera naka watalala mtumba. Ngamamona tbalefo kuchitena nikali kwitila kwa fa menshi. Mwatutamena so. Mwatu alilila. Let today chirire. Wakabwe nani mulefwaya. Lelo. Wakabwe nani mulefwaya. Let's meet mukabwelo. Tien tukumane. Makululu Township, background. Be part, okay? Be part of history. Be part of changing the nation, okay? Remember, I am not shouting for nothing here. I am making sure that when we said, let's change the government in 2021, we didn't apologize. Okay, somebody, Gravis is saying, you want to bring back Kadarism. Listen to me, no. There is no Kadarism that will be accepted under Brian Mundubire and Makepi Zulu. Why? Because all the cadres are with UPND. I can mention names for you. Mao Samba, the leader of the PF with cadres, is in an alliance with UPND. Robert Chavinga is in an alliance with UPND. Andrew Lubusha is in an alliance with UPND. Innocent Kalimanshi is in an alliance with the UPND. Ba PF baliaba makada baba na imwe amakada twalibipela basendeni tatuleba fwaya ba UPND sendene makada balaba lubudi balaba fyong abena charity balaba leshana like this balaba charity balaba leshana aba ipukumunya bala abena charity balaba ipukumunya balaba ipukumunya abena charity bali na ba UPND. So we don't want amakada. When you come to this alliance, you must reason with the Zambians. Okay? You must reason with the Zambians when you come to us. So, you must understand that right now, Naikaba try to say it's AI. But 13 August, cheating tangombe. As I'm speaking to you, let me speak to Mazabuka. Mazabuka, Chief Mwana Shimungwala. Under Chief Mwana Shimungwala, Mazabuka, Mwalimu never treat Gary Nkombo. How Gary Nkombo is being treated under Chief Mwana Shimungwala. You saw how Gary Nkombo was almost barricaded to file in. Vaesha. To try ukumutitikisha Gary Nkombo. Even in Solowezi, you heard the president talking about Gary Nkombo. So, if Gary Nkombo is not a factor, why talk about him? If Gary Nkombo, my brother there in Mazabuka, is not a factor, why talk about them? If Honorable Muchima is not a factor, why talk about them? Why talk about Muchima? So, once mwema members baba Muchima, Ukoku Northwestern Province, all the members of Honorable Muchima in Northwestern Province, please, let's get Brian Mundubile and Honorable Makebi Zulu in office. Ba Muchima, your labor cannot go in vain. Bamuchima, you even came and tried to explain yourself on Diamond TV. I voted for Bill 7. You tried, Bamuchima, to explain. But your own president said in Solowezi that Tabaremi Fuaya. Bamuchima, Mudibakala Mbabandi, and I want to invite you, Honorable Muchima. I want to invite you, Honorable Muchima, to join us. Join the team that is about to transform Zambia. Join the team that's about to change Zambia. Gary Nkombo, I like your stance when you say you're standing for the people. But please, you are standing as an MP and as an independent MP, Honorable Gary Nkombo. Ama structures yenu yonse. Tieni, wonseba mwana jimungwala, chitintangombe. You heard Chief Shipepo. You heard Chief Shipepo on Crown TV. Chief Shipepo is from Southern Province. You heard Chief Shipepo saying UPND cannot be trusted. If Chief Shipepo is saying UPND cannot be trusted, why you in Sinazongwe do you want to trust them? Why you in Mulowezi you want to trust them? Why you in Mamba you want to trust them? Why should you use these people? Why should you use these people? Why do you want to trust? Why do you want to trust these people who your chiefs are saying they don't trust them? I have got empirical data. Almost 5 chiefs, 5 senior, these are big chiefs in Southern Province. They are saying, no, we can't continue like this. So don't think it's about tribalism. There is no tribalism. There is nothing like that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to come to you this morning. I've got 9 minutes to go back into the office this morning. I've got 9 minutes. Why did I come this morning? Number one, to show you that there are chest pains going in the UPND now. Chest pains because of the first rally. There are chest pains because of the first rally that took place in Kitwe over the weekend. There are chest pains. So now they have to scamper everywhere because they said there is no opposition. Yes, there is no opposition. They said it is AI. Yes, it's AI. Yesterday in Ndola at church, just going to church, Mwalimu Nevo Chali. Mwalimu, just passing through Mwachipurukusu yesterday, Mwalimu Nevo Chali. Lelo, as I'm speaking to you this morning, share this information. Vakabwe nani mulefwaya. Vakapiri nani mulefwaya. Ukokutazara mukabwe. Wonse, let's meet lelo. Makululu Township background. Makululu Township background. Munduvire and Makebi Zulu are getting there. Makululu Township, 12 hours, Nishna Chirila, 12, Bayambo Kulanda. Iseni muise mufwe, abantu abayipereshe ukumibombela. Now, tabadi veka iyo, they are not on their own. We have got civil society. We've got eminent persons. We've got even religious organizations that are saying we are part. Muitino kwebati ni mwebani, ba civil servant, mwarimona ekobabe misha manes poster. The other day, you saw ama nurse, muma uniform, nabe mia poster. During the campaign time, Muisakamana iseni mutukumanye as your leaders. Come and meet your leaders today. Come and meet your leaders. Abahipereshe to save the nation of Zambia. Come 13th August. The people that you are going to vote for. Now, anyone who is the age of, who has a voter's card, everyone with a voter's card, share this information. Share this information to 10 people. Share this information. Kumisepera inenu, let them come and attend and hear this very important message to Zambia. Then number two, we are asking all Zambians who love this country, let's keep ukula chipepela kwe chalo cha Zambia, elo tulea ku 13th August. That we don't want to see confusion, we don't want to see bloodshed, we don't want to see anything of that sort. All we want to see is peace in the nation of Zambia. Then if we see people about the fire, and all that, Zambians in your townships, start giving information to your people. Now, there are very important things I want to say. Lelo, any MP that you know that don't vote for MPs that were just eating and sleeping in parliament. Don't vote for them. They may be adopted in UPND. Don't vote for them. There are those corrupt ones that we are telling you. They are the corrupt ones, we are telling you. This time, wake up in the morning. Up an instant, it's already almost 8:30. But I'm saying, this time on the day of voting, wake up, mukaye senda kwaba nenu mwaimia kwaba mukaye imia bantu bakaye mukuvota. Brian Mundubile has chosen the symbol of a lamp. Nyali. Abemba kuti lampi. Nyali, a lantern. Mukati mulya, mulabo muliro waka uleto olubuto. Makebi Zulu came with a bag. And in the bag, you remove the lamp. And light comes. That is why, remember, Ichalo Cheswicha Zambia, when it was 4 years, for 4 years, we did not have electricity. We were in load shedding for almost 4 years. Then we say we have solved load shedding. Tuishente kwa mweme na Zambia. Vetushinga vasilino lo salad pamiromo. Let's not forget how we have cried Baba Manvalu Shile Indalama. Let's not forget how I'm a saloon. Let's not forget how I'm a butchery. Ba butcher man. Let's not forget if you're fin to fiale wala mangana. Let's not forget if you're bashtisha mataba. Let's not forget. Abe ngiba teacher baleika lila kaloba na village banking. Abe ngiba teacher baleika lila inkongole. Abe ngiba teacher abe ngiba teacher mumishumu. Aba iche bandi mumishumu. Aba ingile nchitomuli last 4 years, 5 years. If you see abaloni bakwata bafola afya amapepa. Balantumina mafoni lyonse. In order for Ichalo Cheswicha Zambia, ukweba tichie pantanshi. Let's get Brian Mundubile. Let's get Makebi Zulu. Let's stand with them. And let's push them forward. Because if we as Zambians, if we to wika point ungurushi. Na bonga ba firo tukabafumi hapo. Don't think that don't think that tukabafumi hapo ngabafiro. Ngabafiro tukabafumi hapo. But because right now ababa lipo, if you ba tula ide, if you ba chiro kwa fertilizer ikaba 250, bushe fertilizer ili 250. If you want to like $1 ikaba 1 single digit. Is it still 1 single digit? If you want to like umitengo ya fintu ikabuela. Bushe alibuela. Insalata ya kwata mutundu. Insalata ya kwata akapaturula. Insalata ya kwata tuwalisambirila. Insalata ya kwata tawasambirila. Umuntu onsala onfu ensala. Ane ensala nga ya kuchaya. Ero umonati. Insala ka pondo. Apecho baleshani na. Ni insala ya kwati. Nga muamona. Insala ya limu. Now. As I go. Alabane ama t-shirt nga bami pera ama t-shirt ya UPND sendeni fuareni nga bami pera kateni kwacha sendeni lieni nga bami pera otubunga sendeni lieni mwabela Zambia nga bami pera fifyonse tukuki noero tu salati sendeni wonfieni pa 13th August batotereni no kumye bati twasanta mwane mwende omutende bala yeni tieni tuambe okubalaya mwebe na Zambia lelo. Let's all meet live and in person today. Let's all meet live and in person in Kabwe. See you there. Tien tusangane kwa kwenye nilero twala monana 12 hours mukabwe.